So diggity 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 hey, diggity 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 hey, diggity 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 hey, diggity 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 hey. In this car, you don't exist. Don't tell me what to do when you lose your keys and you crash into. In this life, I don't exist. Don't tell me what to do. You look pretty young for someone with a PhD. Are you really my dad? You're old.
Investigasyon ng NBI para i-substantiate yung investigasyon o yung impeachment case laban kay VP Sara Duterte. Ang sagot po, di ba tiba, no need to substantiate because it has already been established. Ano ang pananaw niyo dito?
Naiintindihan ko yung ibig sabihin ni Director Matiba kasi hindi naman sila naghahanap ng, let's say, ng separate case. No? So far, na let's say, conspiracy to commit murder or to for the assassination, it's entirely a separate crime kung merong overt acts, no? As compared to the let's say the crime of grave threat. So, yung pagkakaintindi ni Director Matiba, consummated na yung grave threat at ito yung ibinase nila sa mga pronouncement herself of the Vice President sa mga video na napanood nila. So, at yung regarding sa actual na pagplano o kung totoo man ito, ongoing pa yung investigation ng NBI. So, yan yung sa akin pagkaintindi, yan yung ibig sabihin ni